before we even bother to turn that on, we're going to have to hook the motor up, and I think that's the motor. If not, no biggie. Let's hope I got everything. And oh my god. That's magic smoke. That's awesome. Oh, that's warm already. That's the most smoke I've seen out of those, one of those ever. Ooh, nice smell. Whoa. I've soldered on correctly, as far as I can tell. Oh, no. No. Wait, what? Oh, I got the connector here wrong. How could I manage? Because that looks like a plus, and I didn't really look what I was doing. Gosh, dang it. Well, I'm pretty sure that's dead. Like proper dead. That's my bad for not looking at what I'm doing. So we're gonna have to. I should have just checked. I mean, oh, the battery's really warm too. Good thing that didn't catch fire. Gosh, dang it. Whew! Smells burnt electronics in here. That's fun. Well, I have more of these, luckily. So yeah, that's not WPL's fault. That's all my fault. Stupid.